In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle image blending and masks in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can follow along on the same canvas. We'll first look at masks, then move into blending modes, and by the end, you'll be comfortable shaping images and controlling how they interact with the layers underneath. Masking lets you place an image inside a shape, a piece of text, or any vector. So only the part within that container is shown. In the Layers panel, make sure the shape or text you want to use as the mask sits directly below the image. The bottommost of the two becomes the container. So order matters here. If something doesn't look right, glance at the stacking order to confirm the shape is under the image. Next, select both the image and the mask shape together. You can drag a selection around them to highlight both at once. To create the mask, use the shortcut Ctrl+Alt+M on Windows, or Command+Option+M on a Mac. If you prefer menus, right-click and choose Use as Mask. Figma will group them and reveal just the portion of the image inside your shape. To refine the result, double-click to enter the mask group. Now you can move or resize the image independently of the mask shape to get the perfect crop. Use the corner handles to scale and hold Shift to keep proportions. Nudging with the arrow keys is great for precise positioning. On the right sidebar, you can also choose the mask type. Alpha uses the transparency of the mask layer. Vector uses the exact outline of the path, and luminance relies on brightness values. Luminance is handy when a grayscale image should define what shows through, while alpha and vector are ideal for solid shapes and text. Let's switch to blending. Blending modes control how a layer's colors mix with what's beneath. Select any layer, go to the Appearance section on the right, and open the Blend Mode dropdown to pick a mode. A few essentials: Multiply darkens and is excellent for removing white backgrounds. Screen lightens and helps lift black backgrounds. Overlay combines multiply and screen to boost contrast while respecting the base layer's lightness. Color keeps the bottom layer's brightness but swaps in the top layer's hue and saturation, which is perfect for tinting a monochrome image. If the effect feels strong, lower the layer's opacity for a more subtle blend. That's it. Thanks for watching.